Hello and welcome to this video of number 22 Winchester Road here just south of Reading Town Centre. So what we have here is a 1920s, we believe, 3-bedroom semi-detached house. It's actually on 3 levels. Loft conversion just means that we then have 3 double bedrooms and also an upstairs study cum sort of dressing room. Just pointing out the recently installed roof. Got all new roof tiles up there, as you can probably see. And this particular house does have the driveway at the side. You can just see the grey car to the right of the house there. So that driveway goes along the side and takes you into the rear garden. Just give you an idea of the location. I'm just going to turn around and show you that's the entrance to Winchester Road at the bottom there, just off the Basingstoke Road. As you can see, it's all older style houses and a fairly quiet road at that. It's really only the residents are the cars that are going to come along this road. So that said, let's now take you inside and show you around. So just before I take you inside, I just want to point out the rather attractive front door we've got here with leaded glazing, as you can see. A nice brick arch there above as well. And I'm just going to point out the front garden here. We've got paving there, nice wrought iron work to the front boundary. And then obviously on the right hand side, you can see the car here, which is then takes you down the driveway. So let's now go through into the entrance hall and show you around inside. So firstly, point out the staircase here immediately in front of me. A bit of room here for sort of coat hanging space, maybe somewhere to keep boots, and shoes, that sort of thing. And got a radiator here on the left hand side, one of the quite ornate radiators, as you can see. Nice flooring and a small understairs cupboard here and also downstairs WC. Just point out that doors will be fitted on these two. Just like to show you the WC first. There you go, there's the wash basin with the tile splashback and also the toilet there. We've got a window here. The windows for this property are all UPVC double glazed. So to my left hand side, this takes you into the sort of lounge and dining room. They are 2 separate areas. Let me first of all focus on the lounge area here. Nice big bay window there. Again, you can see the ornate radiator underneath. And again, UPVC double glazing. To the right hand side, we've got the chimney breast. So there is a fireplace facility there. If you wanted to have an open fire, I'm sure that could be done. You just need to get a specialist to check the chimney before doing so. And then either side of the chimney breast, we've got these display cabinets and then storage units. They're all fitted. A nice wood effect flooring as well. So if I just step forward and turn round, then you'll get an idea just how this room links into the dining room. Nice big dining area. Nice panelling on the walls as well, as you can see. With a little shelf running along the top there. And double doors taking you into the conservatory and a door to my right hand side, or a doorway at least, taking you into the kitchen. So let's look at the kitchen. Nice modern units, good work surface space as well. Let me just pan to the right here. There's space for a fridge freezer. And you can just see there we've got space for a washing machine, I think. Eye level units, side window, and then panning round, you can see we've got a rear window as well. So just focusing on the built-in oven, we've got a 5-ringed gas hob with a hood above. More eye level units. Dishwasher integrated on the left. And then just on my left hand side there you can see the boiler, a Worcester Bosch boiler. So nicely fitted kitchen. And then as I turn left, this is the doorway taking you back into the dining room. Another quick look at the dining room there. Lots of space, as you can see, and really quite a good sized room, this lounge into a dining room. So on my right hand side here, we've got the conservatory. I'll just give you a quick look at the conservatory. And we've got the door there taking you into the garden. It's a lean-to conservatory, really useful for all sorts of purposes. Just looking up, there's the roof. I'll show you the garden obviously at the end of the tour, but quite a nice addition there to the house, and really quite useful. Okay, so that is the ground floor. Now let's take you up and show you the first and second floor with 3 bedrooms and also the bathroom and of course the study dressing room. So we are on the landing on the first floor. As you can see, staircase there with quite ornate spindles and a banister, and then the staircase continues up into the 3rd bedroom. So on this level, if I just step back here, you can see we've got a window there as well. So we have 2 bedrooms plus the study and the bathroom on this level. So let's just start in this bedroom. We would say this is the main bedroom. As you can see, we've got a 4-poster bed in here, so hopefully that demonstrates the size of this room. That is a super king size bed as well. So we have wardrobes all along this wall here. They're all fitted. Let's just step this side here and show you those wardrobes. And as you can see, the view out the back here, that's looking down the garden. And then below the window, we've got the another one of those ornate radiators. So that's the main bedroom. Now we step forward into bedroom 2. So this is at the front of the house. Certainly it's a double bedroom, easily a double bedroom. Hopefully the camera will show that. With the front aspect window. Generally really nice decor in this property, as you can see. The floor coverings are also really well looked after. It's a very smart house all round. So that's the 2nd bedroom. Back onto the landing, just to the right here. Before I show you the bathroom, let me just show you the study. So this, as you can see, it's a small room, so it's not a bedroom. We called this a study, come dressing room. It could be either or, but it's very unusual to have that extra room to work with. As you can see, we've got a nice ornate radiator under the window there as well. And then last but not least, on this level, at the other end of the landing, we have the bathroom. So white suite, white tiling. We've got a nice modern heated towel here on the left hand side. You can see the wash basin with the vanity covered under. There's the low level WC, and then of course we have the bath. I'm going to just step into the room slightly. You can see we've got a window as well there because we've got a shower over the bath and a glass shower screen just there. Okay, so that's the bathroom. Let's now make our way up the additional flight of stairs here to the extra bedroom. This is bedroom 3. We've got a cupboard ahead of us there. That's a very deep built-in storage cupboard on this landing. And then to my left, door taking you straight into the other bedroom. So this is a loft conversion originally. It's been done quite a few years. And it's one of these that does have really good height, as you can see, good head height. So it really is a double bedroom. We've got a wardrobe fitted there on my left hand side, a drawer unit in the corner. So as you can see, really quite a good size bedroom. And just point out, yeah, it's a nice view out there. Park in the distance. So that's the house. Let's now take you and show you the garden. Through the conservatory door and into the garden. So firstly, you can see we've got a very big patio here, full width of the house and also of the driveway. And then you can see we've got a really nice lawn. The garden is around about 50 feet in length. It's enclosed on all sides, and also again looking down you can see that it's not overlooked at all. So I'm just going to step down the garden and just turn round, give you an idea of the view of the back of the house, because you can see the loft conversion. Again, if you look closely, you can see all the new roof tiles. In fact, all very, very smart. And the gate to the left of the house there, that takes you into the driveway. So that is the house. If you'd like to know more details, by all means call the number on the website. My name is Gary, you can ask for me. Alternatively, it's the same number to arrange a viewing appointment. Thanks very much for watching.